Hello, my YouTube family and beyond. My name is Lovely Lancaster. I am your financial and business strategist of choice, and you are watching the Sellebrity YouTube channel. Now, we have recently rebranded. It was known as the Lovely Lancaster channel, but we decided to make this channel more about what you've asked for instead of what I want to give. So for those of you who are new to myself and my brand, our goal is to help you reach six figures in your business ventures. And that's pretty much as simple as it gets, right? Help you make six figures in your business ventures. And we are going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, we are focused on content creation for lead generation, and our whole focus is to make sure that we introduce you to concepts that has a proven model for success, so you do not have to spend a lot of time guessing if what we have to show you is true. It's been proven to do so. So I'm excited to be the person to help you, get those six-figure wins in 2020. And to help me do that, all I ask is that you like what you like and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell so that way you can get notifications. And our goal is to just, get as much content out to you as possible. Hopefully 3 a week, which is what YouTube, suggests if you want to be an influencer on this platform. And that's exactly what we're here to do. So a little bit more about myself. As I said, my name is Lovely Lancaster. I am the financial and business strategist of choice to serious entrepreneurs and self-promoting individuals. So what does that mean? Well, if you have dedicated the majority of your time in pursuing an opportunity to get a return on your investment, which is time, then you are considered a serious entrepreneur or self-promoting individual in my book. And I am here to be of service to help you reach your goals in the least amount of time possible. And I am here mainly to shine light on the successes so I can help you get more of the bread and butter of what my experience has given me instead of all the crud that came with it. Now, I will give you advice to help you to avoid the crud, but we want to celebrate here, okay? Which is why we're called Sellebrity. So stay tuned and we're going to explain to you how. So I am a fundamentalist, and what that means is I literally leave nothing to chance. Everything that I do is very systematic, and in doing so, I decided to brand this channel with consistency. And to help me do so, we've decided here at Sellebrity BMI Group that we are going to deliver content in series, and these series are going to give you grouped or batched information that is going to help you step by step in the things that you're needing help with. So we are going to launch 3 series right away. And the first one is going to be on the basics of business, which is business planning. And what's funny about business planning is hardly no business owners do it. I mean, they think they're doing it, but they're really not. So statistics show, according to the SBA, okay, that nearly every single business launched don't succeed. And what I mean by nearly all, I mean nearly all. And this, let me help you to decide, which side of the spectrum you're on, okay? 60% of businesses opened that has employees fail within the first 2 years. So ask yourself, do you have employees? Probably not. So it's a good indication that you may be on the wrong side of the coin. Okay? If you want to succeed, you first have to have employees. And this is according to the SBA. You can look this stuff up on their website. But 60% of businesses with employees fail within the first 2 years. And 50% of those that do make it past the second year fail in the 5th year. That's pretty scary. So literally a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of businesses started actually succeed 5 years. But the question is, are they sustainable? Are they earning enough income to be quote unquote successful? And the truth is, the majority of them are not, simply because they don't have a business plan. So guess what we're going to do here at Sellebrity? We're going to teach you how to write a persuasive business plan that's going to help you get all the leverage that you need in order to succeed. How about that? Okay, so we're looking to do it in about 12 videos or so. We're going to literally make it step by step by step by step, so that you are prepared to write a very persuasive business plan that is going to set you apart from pretty much, everybody. So I'm super excited about that series. Okay, so series number 2 is, it's my baby. So I did not know how many people did not know about how money worked. And I know that sounds pretty cliche considering I am in the financial, industry business, but I thought people knew the basics of money simply because I do. And the truth is, they don't. So series number 2 is going to be on the basics of money management. And we're going to talk about how money grows, how it's taxed, okay, and what money truly is, so you can get the basis of what it is you're going to work to do every day, which is to earn money. So I'm going to give you a basic understanding of that, so you truly understand the weight of your purchases and the weight of your decision making in regards to your money. I'm super excited about that one. A big hit for me was when I broke down the rule of 72, and people were like, "Oh, I did not know that interest rates were so important." Yeah. I mean, literally 1% can change the course of, you retiring in this lifetime or like 5 lifetimes later. And I know that sounds pretty crazy or drastic, but it is. It's really that true. So stay tuned for our second series, which will be on money basics. So series number 3 is going to be on TOMA. And if you don't know what TOMA is, then you're probably on the wrong side of success in regards to business. But to educate you, TOMA means top of mind awareness. And if you're not familiar with what top of mind awareness or TOMA is, then I highly recommend you read my book. Now, I have rebranded the book since I came up with this cover, but this is really the first book that I published. It's called The Ultimate TOMA Marketing Plan, and it's really going to help you walk through how to get top of mind awareness in the minds and hearts of your potential consumers. And there's really 3 areas of growth that book breaks down, and that's going to be how to saturate the market or grow your market share, how to increase your profit margins, as well as increase or grow your customer base so you're able to make the amount of money that you're hoping to in your business ventures, which I hope is to exceed 6 figures, because if you're not, then I don't know what you're working for. But anyway, I am so excited about that series because literally I wrote the book on it. So you are going to learn from the best of the best in the industry to help you get top of mind awareness for your brand, your product, even yourself, okay? I never thought that I would myself be a brand, but hey, I'm giving you what you asked for, which is more of me. Because when I first launched my YouTube channel, everyone was complaining. They were like, hey, you're doing all these slides, which is pretty cool, but you have a really nice voice and we would like to see your face. So there you have it. You got all of me. No, I'm just kidding and having a little bit of fun. But listen, I'm so excited. This is our welcome video just to give you guys an understanding as to what to get from us and to introduce you to me, especially you newbies. So I'm so excited. We have a lot of giveaways we're going to do throughout the series, and a lot of, meet and greets. Hopefully, we got a book tour launching soon and all types of stuff, and I really just want to keep you guys engaged with all that. So please, if you got a comment, please send it, good or bad. I mean, it really doesn't matter to me if it's negative. All it's going to do is help me get better. So thank you in advance. But if you do like it, make sure you click like, subscribe, hit the button, and share, the links with your friends. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time meeting me, hi, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.